Okay, let's give me a demonstration for the coloring of the background. Okay, but it's real simple though. You go into Procreate, gonna go to your layers. If you kind of organize everything into separate layers, you have like your draw layer, then all these other layers that you colored in. Okay, should be pretty easy to just add like the coloring for the background. Okay, so yeah, just take a look at your layers. On the very bottom layer, you're just gonna have to create like a layer on top, so you can do it like above your photos. You just create a new layer here, and this is like where you want to place your background layer. You're going to place it on the very bottom layer of your drawing. So just gonna label this background so you know where it is. So it's below all those areas that you colored in, and just right above the photo. It could be above or below it. I'm just gonna cover up the photo. So now when we add colors for like the background, and I'm just gonna add like any color here. It's gonna go behind your portrait drawing. Okay, so this is if you've made sure to color it neatly. It should go behind everything. Okay, so now in terms of the background though, you guys can have a little bit more fun with the background. If you want to, you could experiment with some of like the painter brushes. Maybe try like an oil paintbrush. I could do something as simple as like a big brush. Maybe I can do like a red on the bottom here, have it kind of transition into like other colors. So I can do like a red here, maybe go into like an orange color, do some like really nice analogous colors. Maybe like a yellow orange, like a yellow. So you can have a little bit of fun with like the colors in your, for like the background. Okay, so you can have fun with the colors, or you could do something similar to like what we saw in like the comic books. Maybe maybe you can make yourself in like a golden green. That could be really neat. Now some really cool effects brushes. Let me try like the luminous. So you can try like this light brush maybe. So that could be kind of neat. Do kind of like a glowing green on the edge. So you have to kind of play around with it, but there's a lot of different things you can do with this one here. Oops. So you can make your character kind of glow out. So just kind of play around with it. Try out some different effects, different things. Try out some different brushes. Or maybe you could just do something real simple. You want to just do like one color. Go back to color and saw blue again. Yeah, you could just add some textures like we've done in the past before. So just kind of play around with it, see what kind of brushes you want to use. Just remember one of your grades is, just experimenting with different brushes. So, you can have like fun with it. Do some different things. So, unlike the colors that we did with your portraits, these can be a little bit more playful. All right. Okay, so that's like the last step with your project though. Just adding some details for like the background to finish it.